Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start now, update WhatsApp and open any chat so you can trigger the keyboard immediately. First, tap the text field to bring up your current keyboard. This gives WhatsApp permission to display emoji options. If you use a third-party keyboard, make sure it's enabled in system settings before continuing. Once the keyboard appears, look for the emoji key, smile icon, or globe. That's your entry point. Do this first so the rest of the steps run smoothly and you don't get blocked by permissions. Now you switch keyboards. Tap the emoji icon or long press the globe to open the keyboard picker. This shows installed keyboards and emoji layouts. Choose the new emoji keyboard you installed, for example, Gboard's emoji panel or a custom emoji app. If it's not visible, open the keyboard app settings, enable its emoji pack, and return to WhatsApp. The picker should refresh. Make sure to grant any requested keyboard permissions so the emoji keyboard can load stickers, search, and GIF without interruption. Finish by testing. Send a few emojis, use the search and check sticker or GIF tabs. This confirms the new emoji keyboard is active. If emojis don't show, close and reopen WhatsApp. Make sure the keyboard app is allowed full access and is updated. As a final fix, restart the device or reinstall the keyboard app. This often clears cache conflicts. If problems persist, switch temporarily to a system keyboard to confirm WhatsApp is functioning. Then re-enable the new emoji keyboard once errors are resolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.